Hey guys, Doug B here. We have us a Firmware Thursday for the FM3. FM3 firmware version 6.00 Beta 5. Now Beta 5 fixes a crash on some presets with 6.00 Beta 4, and the amp block is up to date with the FX3 firmware version 21.00. So here's the link for the firmware, and then here's the link for FM3 Edit. And if you notice, there's a note here that says you must perform a refresh after new firmware in FM3 Edit to sync with this new firmware. So if you want to try it, just make sure you do that refresh after new firmware. I've got a feeling though that we are going to be seeing the production release version of 6.00 coming out very soon. All right guys, have a great Thursday evening and I will see you tomorrow.